A carbide burr tool is commonly used in exhaust fabrication because it allows fabricators to smooth internal weld seams, blend joints, and refine transitions inside exhaust systems in order to improve overall exhaust flow efficiency. During the construction of exhaust headers, pipes, mufflers, and custom exhaust systems, welding is required to join sections of tubing, flanges, and collectors. These welds often leave behind internal ridges, uneven bead penetration, or slight misalignments that can disrupt the smooth movement of exhaust gases. By using a carbide burr tool mounted on a die grinder, the fabricator can reach into tubing and carefully remove these internal imperfections without excessively thinning or weakening the surrounding metal. The hardness and cutting efficiency of carbide make it especially effective for working inside stainless steel and mild steel exhaust components, where precision material removal is required. In exhaust fabrication, airflow efficiency is extremely important because any restriction or turbulence inside the system can negatively affect engine performance, throttle response, and overall efficiency. A carbide burr tool helps create smoother internal surfaces by blending weld seams and transitions between pipe sections, reducing sharp edges and abrupt changes in diameter that can slow or disrupt exhaust gas flow. This smoother internal path allows gases to exit the engine more freely, improving scavenging efficiency and reducing back pressure. As a result, engines can breathe more effectively, which can lead to improved horsepower, torque, and fuel efficiency, especially in performance or racing applications where exhaust flow optimization is critical. A carbide burr tool is also particularly useful in areas of the exhaust system that are difficult to access with larger grinding tools.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.